Welcome guys, Cream Boss back again with another reaction video to the one called Swappi Properly official music video. I think this is a Trinidad artist. I think so. So we're gonna check this out and see what's going on. I think someone requested this video. I think it's a dancing video. I think because the last video was, yeah, I think it's a dance video. From the see the girl in it, we know say this will be a dancing video, isn't it? Yo! Pay girl, let me tell you, bro. Pay girl in this, bro.
Oh, the girl good in she head. Oh, she bubble low and spread. Oh, she wine low and bend. She push back and say na 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 na. She bend back and say na na na. She fell back and say na 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 na. She tick tock like na 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 na.
Yeah, what's going on in this video, bro?
You putting it all over the thing. In an instant, girl, make your body swing. National girl like your locally ill with a whining skill, girl, take it to the end. Girl, I rate you, oh you bend, belly bend.
Yo! What the hell is this, bro? What the hell is this?
Spend any step with a new man position again. The way that you whining, girl, properly, girl, you're not normal. You're making no back now. Girl, you're abnormal.
Oh, it's a carnival song? You just said bacchanal. So it's a carnival song. Yeah man, I must have carnival song this, bro. Not tell her the man suit look bad. The red suit there look bad. Look sick. Not tell her. You have your girl lick them tongues, bro. All of them girl lick them tongue like them sends chocolate around the ear to blow. Nah, 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 nah. Nah, 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 nah. Nah, 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 nah. Wait a minute, girl. Oh, she got the board tongue. Ooh. Play, play, play. Play, play, play. Wine up there. Yo, this was crazy, bro. This is almost a carnival song. This have to be a carnival song. Damn. What can I say, bro? What can I say? What can I say? This was crazy. Swappi. Properly. Hey, I'm not telling you, Trinidad artists have some very strange name, but it's kind of unique because I've never heard this name before in dancehall or anything. So kudos to them. Oh yeah, so this is the generation video, guys. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. All of them good things there. Peace out.